Hello there explorers and welcome to A Bogman's Life. It's really good to see you guys. Today I'm visiting the Debengeni Waterfalls. I just had to get away from the waterfall for a moment, but this waterfall is surrounded with natural forest around it. So let's go around it and see what we can find. Here we have an orb-web spider species, and as you can see, it's mimicking a leaf, a dead one to be specific. It has also placed some leaf stubs and twigs inside its web to hide in amongst. It does this so that predators can't ID it easily and eat it, because it's a small species that would become a meal to any bird. Now this is an awesome find. This poor cricket has been infected with an entomopathogenic fungus, more specifically Cordyceps. This fungus sporulates on an insect and then it grows into the insect's body, taking over its brain and letting the insect climb onto a high perch, where the insect will die clamping onto that perch. This allows the fungus to sporulate on a high place. You see, once the insect has died, the fungus will grow through the openings and the skin of the insect or the cuticle and then sporulate, releasing its spores to infect more insects. And that concludes our short expedition at the Debengeni Waterfalls. If you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button and go share this video with your friends. Remember to explore, discover, and share. And I will see you explorers next time.